So to get air to the rear assembly for all the valves, we use this tank not only for the washdown air supply to pressurize this tank, but we also use this tank to supply air to the rear assembly. This tank will fill up with air right here, and this will come off the truck system. Down on the truck air tank, we'll have a pop-off valve for safety relief. If this hose breaks, that valve will not allow any air come into this tank once it reaches about 60 psi. Anything below 60 psi is going to stay in the truck so you can operate your brakes. But here's the inlet for the air to this tank. On the top here, this line here goes to the rear assembly to supply air to the valve box back there. We can go on across here. If you were to chase it, it actually comes up to here, to this ball valve here, which we generally leave open all the time, but you can close this valve when you're servicing the valve box, or if you have a leak somewhere, you can close this valve and that'll keep it from leaking through the rest of the leaking down your air supply, brake supply air.